Today is 17th. Today is 16th of July. Let's start the class with your attendance first. Okay, close your cameras. Everyone, please close your cameras. Okay, Ateeb and rest of the students, close your cameras. Are you listening me? Okay, I think I should close myself. Ateeb has not turned off the camera yet. And I can see Sarim as well. Yes, Sarim, why have you not turned off your camera? Okay, you need to be punctual while attending the class. All right, so Abdullah Shafqat. Okay, no one will turn on the camera without my permission first. Okay. At the time of attendance, I will call your name, so you'll be giving your attendance first. Okay, Abdullah Shafqat, can I see you? Okay, Abdullah. Sayyid Ateeb. Sayyid Ateeb. I cannot see you. Ateeb. Okay, can you turn on your mic?
Sir, you stop my video.
So because you're not listening me, that's the reason. So Ateeb, okay, right. So I listen you, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, Abdul Wase. Just wait for some time, Abdul Wase. Okay, Abdul Wase, I can see you now. And who is this student? Muhammad Ahmed. Yes, Muhammad Ahmed. Please turn off your camera. Okay, all the students who are joining the class late, so keep in mind that the joining time of the class is 11:15. So you need to be punctual. Okay, do not come late in the classroom. Okay, Asad Ali. Muhammad Asad Ali. Okay, Asad. Abdul Wase. Okay, I've seen you, Abdul Wase, right? I've taken your attendance. Abdullah Farooq. Can I see Abdullah Farooq? Okay, Abdullah. Abdurrahman. Okay, Abdurrahman. And Fauzan. Yes, Fauzan, can you listen to me? Okay, Fauzan. Right, so you can turn off your camera now. Muhammad bin Junaid. Okay, Muhammad bin Junaid, right. You can turn off your camera, Muhammad bin Junaid. Muhammad Ahmed. Yes, Muhammad Ahmed. Is it Muhammad Ahmed Tasneem? Is it right? Can I ask you, can you turn on your mic, Muhammad Ahmed? Okay, Saad Kamran, please turn off your camera. Yes, Muhammad Ahmed Tasneem. Are you Muhammad Ahmed Tasneem, beta? Okay, can you confirm this? Okay, Fauzan, I can see your hand here. You want to say something? So I'll be coming towards your query after some time. Okay, but I have not got the confirmation from Muhammad Ahmed. I don't know who. There are two Ahmed in my class, so I wanted to ask about who is this Ahmed. If he can turn on his mic, so it will be very easy for me. Yes, okay. Ahmed, can you listen me? Can you turn on your mic and speak? Okay, I cannot hear you, but I cannot hear you. Sorry. Right. So I'll move towards the next boy who is here next. Okay, Muhammad Arkam. Yes, Arkam. Okay, Arkam. I can see you. Arkam. I cannot see your name here. Yes, now I can see your name. Right. Okay, wait for some time. Muhammad bin Hamza. Yes, everyone, please close your cameras. Arkam and Asad Ali, why have you turned on your cameras? Muhammad bin Hamza. Okay, I cannot see the name of Muhammad bin Hamza in the list of the students. Just wait for some time. Now I can see this. Okay, Muhammad Uzair. Muhammad Uzair. Okay, Arkam, please remove this thumb up from the side. Yes. Muhammad Huzaifa. Huzaifa. Okay. Okay, beta. Yes, I can see you, Huzaifa. Let me see your name here in the list. Okay, Saad Kamran. Can I see you, Saad Kamran? Okay, right. And Samir Ali. Can I see Samir Ali? Yes. Quick, Samir, you need to turn on your camera quickly. I'm waiting for you. Okay, Samir. And the last student in my class is Sarim Ahmed Saeed. Yes, Sarim Ahmed. Quickly, beta. Now I can see you, Sarim. All right, so we have completed the attendance. So let's quickly start the class. Okay, so first of all, my first question is that how many students have prepared the index? Please raise your hands, and the title pages as well. In the previous blog, we have talked about it. Okay, I can see a lot of students, mashallah. Okay, a great number of students have prepared the index and the title pages, but I cannot see here Abdul Wase, Abdullah Farooq. Okay, if you are raising your hand, so raise your hand for a while. Okay, do not lower your hand without my permission. Okay, Atib, I cannot see you. I want the confirmation from your side from Atib, Abdul Wase, Fozan. Okay, Ibrahim Salman, if you are from grade 5, so you can leave the class because this is a block of 4A, so you cannot stay here. Okay, you can check the timetable and then you can join the respective class, right. And Saad Kamran, I want to get confirmation. Abdullah Farooq, Uzair, Samir Ali. So these are the students. I cannot see the confirmation from their side that they have prepared the title pages, or if they do not have the copies, so they will be working in their rough copies. So first, let me talk to Abdul Wase. Yes, Abdul Wase, what's the situation on your side? What's the situation of your copy? Can you share with us?
Sir, not hear my network are
Your voice is disturbing. Abdul Wase, I cannot hear your voice properly. Yes, can you say it again? Okay. Atib, yes. Atib, can you turn on your mic and speak?
Yes.
Yes, have you completed? Have you completed the work, Atib?
What work? SST work?
Yes, exactly. I'm talking about the index and the title pages.
Yes, I have done.
Yeah. So you have to raise your hand. Okay. You need to
Okay.
include yourself in the list of those students who have completed their work. If you have not completed, so you need to. Yes. Okay. Right.
Okay,
Fauzan.
sir.
Okay, beta. Fauzan, can I talk to you, Fauzan? Can you turn on your mic and speak a little with us? Yes, Fauzan.
Sir, I do my homework.
You are doing right now.
No, I do. I
Okay,
done.
okay, you have done. You have completed your work. Okay, Fauzan. So, beta, raise your hand. Right. So, yes. Okay, Fauzan. Now I can see you. Sarim. Okay, but four students are still here in the list. Abdul Wase, Saad Kamran. Yes, Saad Kamran. What's the situation? Saad Kamran, if you can listen me,
Yes,
please
sir.
turn on your mic. Yes, have you completed the
Yes,
work?
sir. I'm listening.
So have you completed the index and title pages? Quickly confirm.
Which title pages, sir?
Yes, in the previous blog, I told you about it. Were you present in the previous blog, Saad?
No, no, sir.
Oh, that's the reason. That's the reason you have not. Okay, all those students who are lowering their hands, so please do not lower your hands. Please do not lower your hands because I need to maintain the record of those students who have not completed. So please raise your hands for a while. Without my permission, no one will lower the hand. Okay. So Saad Kamran, you have to prepare index, and index you have to write first term started. Okay, this will be the first thing you will write in the index, and the second thing in the second line of the index page you have to write the name of the chapter, that is Lahore. Okay, and if you talk about the title pages, so first title page, on the first title page you have to write first term started, and on the second title page you have to write the name of the chapter, that is Lahore. Got it? So these are the things you have to complete. In the next blog I will be asking you about it, Saad Kamran. And yes, Asad Ali, what's the situation, beta?
Sir, I have done. I lower my hand by mistake.
Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, Uzair. Yes, Uzair. Can I talk to you? Have you completed your work, Uzair? Okay, you need to sit in a room where there's no background noise. Okay, there's some sort of disturbance here. Yes. Okay. Yes, Samir Ali. Yes, Samir. Yes, but I speak a little. Have you completed your work, Samir? Okay, I think he cannot listen me. So let's move towards the next block. So I have two students who have not completed their work. So, right. So let's move towards today's work. The work which we are going to do today is that there are two things which we will be completing in the copy. Like first thing, that there's an exercise from the pupils book, the book which we have, the SST book. So check out the book of SST and check out page number 3 in the book. Okay, lower your hands, everyone. Please you lower your hands now. Jazakallah. Okay. Okay, I can see the students, they are with us, they are hearing me, and they are following the things in proper order, mashallah, today. Right. So on page number 3, we have the exercise that is related to Lahore. And the first question of this exercise, okay, I can see some students who have not lowered their hands. So yes, then, can you tell me that you have completed this exercise as well? Okay, Sarim Ahmed Saeed, I can see you that. Yes. Yes, Zan.
I didn't see it clearly before.
Okay. Yes, Abdullah Farooq. Abdullah Farooq, can you hear me? Please turn on your mic. Yes, can you hear me, Abdullah?
Sir, yes, I can hear you. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes. Have you started this exercise in the previous block or not? Or we are doing it for the first time? Can you tell me about it, Abdullah Farooq? The first question you can see, have you completed in the copy?
What is the capital
No.
of
Punjab. I think we have not written this in the copy. Okay, so we will be writing it in the copy. So check out your notebooks and copies and start writing with me. The first question. Okay, first you need to write the heading of the topic, that is Lahore. That will be that
And
will
sir,
be
the
the heading.
index also.
Yes, in the index as well. In the index, first write in the index the name of the topic. The same topic will be here, which we'll be discussing today. There, the topic you can write Punjab. Okay, the first topic, that is Punjab. And when you have completed your index, so then we'll be coming in the next. Okay, Arqam, you have a question? Arqam.
Sir, what is the index?
Okay, in index, yes, in the index you can write Punjab. Okay, the first topic of this chapter Lahore. We are talking about Punjab.
Okay.
Right, so in index Punjab, and in the copy as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Or you can also write facts about Lahore. Okay, you can choose any one of them, Punjab or facts about Lahore, any one of them. Right.
Thank you.
So when you have written the heading, okay, a lot of students are raising their hands. So yes, please lower your hands if you have if you do not have any query. Yes, Abdurrahman Abdul Khaliq. Yes, you have a question. Yes, Abdurrahman. Yes, speak, boy.
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
was asking you that what is the heading?
Heading is about facts about Lahore. Okay, facts about Lahore. That is on page number 3. The heading is here on page number 3. If you can see this, have you seen it, Abdurrahman?
It's yeah.
Okay. Have you written the heading? Okay, Fauzan, have you written the heading? Should we move towards the next thing?
Sir, we have
Yes.
to do in all this work in copy.
Yes, in the copy of SST. First, you have to write the heading, and then we have these six questions from the book. Actually, 7 questions are here. We'll be writing the answers of these questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sarim. Yes, I can see you. Yes, speak.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Sarim's mother.
Okay, what is yes. Yes, yes.
Sir, वो chat का option नहीं चल रहा. How can I message you from the chat?
Okay, actually we have turned off. Actually, we have turned off the chat option because of the students, because they start talking in the chat box and they waste their time. That's the reason we have turned off the chat option for students. So if they have any query, so they can raise their hand and speak here in the classroom, right?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, Abdullah Shafqat. Yes, Abdullah Shafqat. Can I talk to you, Abdullah Shafqat?
Yes, sir. In
do you have a
the
question?
last class, you said that we will write in the index first time started Lahore and Punjab, but I have written the heading that's about Lahore.
So okay, you know that there is the first topic, that is Lahore. So Lahore is the main heading. Okay, that is the name of the chapter, and in this chapter we have some subheadings. Okay, the headings are different in this chapter. So first heading will be like Punjab or facts about Lahore. Okay, this is the first heading. Okay, and then there will be the next heading, that will be the city, and then we have location. So these are the headings. Okay, the headings will be different. But right now we are writing facts about Lahore. First, you have to write the name of the chapter, Lahore, and then you have to start writing the names of the headings. Okay, so first question. Who has started the first question? First of all, please lower your hands. I can see a lot of students who are here who have raised their hands in the chat box. So if you do not have a question, so please lower your hands so that I can talk to those students who want to talk to me, or they have a question. So for Abdullah Farooq, yes, you have a question? Abdullah Farooq.
No, sir.
So please lower your hand, beta. Okay, Saad Kamran. Okay, Samir Ali. I can see you here. Yes, Samir. Okay, please lower your hand, Samir. Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman.
have to write the questions or only the answers?
I think we have to write the questions as well. Okay, questions are mandatory in this lab, in this exercise, because this is the exercise from the pupils book. I will not allow you to write questions from skills book. Okay, we have another book, and I will be
Yes, sir.
showing the activity and exercise from that book. So in that exercise, you will not write the questions, but in this exercise, you have to write it. Okay, Abdurrahman?
Okay.
Okay, do it now. Do it now. Okay, Sayyid Atib. Yes, Atib, do you have a question?
Sir,
Speak in a louder voice so that I can listen you properly. Your voice is very slow.
the heading is
The heading is facts about Lahore.
Facts about Lahore.
Okay.
And question 1, questions are there.
The question. Okay. If you are talking about the question, there is a question number 1. So, what's the capital of Punjab? So we have to write the answer in a sentence like Lahore is a capital city of Punjab. This will be the answer like this. Okay. Yes, Fauzan, you have a question? Yes, Fauzan.
Sir, can we write the question with blue color?
No, you do not. You do not need to write with the pen. Okay, just you have to use the pencil. So, okay. Do not use pen.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Yes, Arqam. Yes, Arqam.
Sir, where are the
Speak.
questions written?
You can see the questions on page number 3, or if you do not have the book, so you can see the questions on your screen. Okay, I've shared the slide with you. Can you see the screen, Arqam?
Yes.
Okay. Sarim Imran. Yes, Sarim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have raised your hand. If you have a question, so you can ask me.
Sir, can we write the questions in blue color?
No, do not use pen. Okay, you have to use pencils. Okay, Sarim. Okay, Abdullah Shafqat. Yes, Abdullah.
Sir, in class 5 we will use pointer.
No, nothing. Okay, just you have to use pencils only. Okay, do not use markers while writing the questions and answers in your copies. So just use pencils. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, so I think all the questions have been solved now. All of your queries. So I think you have started working as well in your copies. So first question is here. That is, okay, how many students have written the question? Okay, yes, raise your hands. How many students have written question number 1? Okay, I can see 3 students here, 4 actually. And the answer, yes, Hamza, will you share the answer of question number 1 with us? Hamza? What have you written in the copy?
Sir?
Yeah. Yes,
Sir?
Hamza. Yes, I can listen.
Punjab is the Lahore is the capital of Punjab.
Yes, exactly. Right. Okay, let's move towards the next one. The next question is, which country is on the border with Punjab? So I think we need to see the map for this. Yes, you can see the map on page number 3 as well. And with Punjab, we can see a country. Okay, who will tell me about this? Asad Ali, can you tell me about it? Asad?
Which thing, sir?
I'm asking about the answer of question number 2. Which country is on the border with Punjab? Yes, can you tell me about it?
India.
Yes, India. Okay. So are you writing the answer in one word, or are you writing the answer in complete sentence? How? Okay, you need to write the answers in a complete sentence. Okay, not in one word. Okay, Arqam, yes, Arqam.
Sir, we have to write the question. We have to leave a line.
Yes, you can. If you can leave the line. Okay, but after not every line. Okay, yes. First of all, you have to write the question, and then without leaving a line, you have to write the answer. Okay. When you finish writing the answer number 1, so you can leave one line after that. Okay, but this is not necessary for you if you are leaving the line after writing everything. Okay, after writing everything. It's okay. Yes, Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman.
Oh, it was done by mistake.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Arqam. You were saying something, I think. Yes, Arqam.
Sir, I write the answer. I leave one line and then write the answer.
Okay, okay. You can continue in this way. Okay, how many students have finished question number 2? Raise your hands. Yes, raise your hands. Okay. 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 Right. So I can see some students here. Abdullah Shafqat, Ateeb, Abdul Wase. I want to have a response from your side as well, boys. Sarim Imran, Samir Ali, Huzaifa. Are you with us? Are you in the class? Yes, Samir, are you here with us? Samir, please turn on your mic and speak. Yes, Samir, I cannot hear you. You have turned on your mic, but I cannot hear you. Okay, let's move towards the third question. That's very, I think that's the easy question. We have studied this in the previous block as well, and the name of the 5 rivers of Punjab. So just we have to write it in the copy. Okay. Okay, Muhammad Ahmed Tasneem. Yes, beta. Speak. Speak.
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, you can. You can go. Okay, Abdullah Farooq. Do you have a question, Abdullah Farooq?
Sir, I have done till question number 6.
Till question number 6. You are way too fast, mashallah. Barakallah, but you have to write properly, okay? So
Yes, I have remembered that I have done with my mind, not cheating.
okay, barakallah, mashallah. Okay, Asad Ali. Yes, Asad. Yes, have you finished question number 4, Asad?
No, sir. I'm on
Okay,
3.
on 3. Okay. Okay, everyone, please write fastly. Yes, Abdurrahman. What's the situation on your side, Abdurrahman?
Yes, sir. I was asking you that when we were in grade 3, what we used to do that we used to
Your voice is
write
a
the
bit
5
slow.
rivers are, and then we used to put 2 dot 1.
Exactly.
One up and
Yeah.
one down, and then we used to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we
Yeah.
used to write
Okay. You can write in that that sentence by using the
or we have to do
numbers.
it in a different.
Yes. Okay, I've got your question. So please listen the answer. You can write okay in both ways, like by using the numbers, okay, by putting the number 1, number 2 in different lines, and you can also write the answer by writing the name of the first river, like the river Ravi, and then you have to put the comma.
Yeah.
Okay, after river Ravi, and then another comma. In this way you can also write in the same line.
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Okay. Yes, Fauzan. Yes, Fauzan.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir,
Yes, I can hear you, Fauzan. Speak.
sir, you can tell me the answer of question 2.
Question number 2. Question number 2 is the answer of question number 2 is India. Okay, India is a country on the border with Punjab.
Okay,
Fauzan?
Jazak.
Okay, wahi. Okay, so question number 4 we have finished. I think most of the students have finished question number 4. So now let's move towards question number 5. That is, find Sahiwal on the map. Which grid square is it in? So let's see that how many students. This is a bit tricky question. So I want to see that how many students are replying to this answer. Are replying to this question. So if Sarim Imran, yes, go ahead and tell me about it. Where you have found Sahiwal? Can you tell me the grid square? Yes, Sarim. By looking at
Sir, it is middle of Kasur and Multan.
Okay, you need to tell me about like there is a D part, and okay, on x-axis you have there are two axes. Okay, there x-axis and then y-axis. On the left line you can see some numbers are here like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in this manner you have to
Yes,
tell me
yes.
about it. So in which box you see it? Okay, D, for example, if you have in the third line, so it will be like C and 3. Okay, for example. So Sahiwal, where do you see this? Okay, let me talk to Uzair. Yes, Uzair. Where do you see this, Sahiwal? Okay, yes, Muhammad bin Junaid. A lot of students are here who have raised their hands, so I want to see that, I want to know that are they responding me or not? Yes, Muhammad bin Junaid.
Sir, it was by mistake.
Okay, but okay, no problem.
Sir, I raised my hand when on the
Okay.
next question.
Okay, can you tell me the answer of question number 5? Yes, Muhammad Uzair. Okay, let me help you. Okay, you can see Sahibal like with Satluj River. Okay, Satluj River. So you point out this box, and that is in a D column, and the row is 4. Column D, we can see it in column number D. Okay, wait, just wait for some time. Column D and row number 4. So we will call it D4. Sahiwal is on the map on D4. Okay, how many students have got same answer? Yes, Abdurrahman Khalid. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Abdurrahman.
I got the answer D4.
D4. Okay, D4 is the right one. Okay, just quickly finish this because we have only 2 minutes remaining in the class, then we'll be winding up it. Okay, let's move towards question number 5. Find Bahawalnagar on the map. What is the name of the river nearby? Who will tell me about it? Yes, Arham. Okay, Arham. Wait. Muhammad Ahmed Tasneem. Yes. Will you tell me about it? Ahmed? Which river do you see near Bahawalnagar on the map? Okay. I cannot listen you. Okay, Abdurrahman, you can share with us. Near Bahawalnagar, which
I
river?
can't find it.
You cannot find Bahawalnagar. Okay, you can see that the column is D. Okay, and
Yes,
row
I
number
found it. Sultan's River. Sultan's River.
Satluj River. Okay,
Satluj River.
that is Satluj River. So write the answer. The river is Satluj. And the last question of today is you have to find Multan on the map. Yes, brother, you can go. Ahmed Tasneem. Okay, the final question, final answer, I will be taking it from, let me talk to Arkam. Yes, Arkam, are you there, Arkam?
Sir, I'm not over
Yes.
there.
You're not here.
Yes,
You're not here with us.
I am on question 3.
Oh, you're on question number 3. You're way too behind the class. Okay, Abdullah Farooq. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah, are you here? Are you listening me?
Sir, can you tell me what is question number 7?
Question number 7, that is okay. Question number 4 is name the 2 deserts in Punjab. Okay, and question number 5 is question number 7 is find question number 7. Okay, there is a bit confusion here. Like, see the numbers.
There are 2 5.
Yeah, exactly.
5.
I was telling you this. Okay, after question number 5, there is question number 6, and then we have question number 7, right? So the last one, we are talking about find Multan on the map. On which grade is it on? So will you tell me about it, Abdullah Farooq, about Multan? No.
Multan.
Can you see Multan?
In which? Yes.
Where is it, Multan? Okay, in which column do you see this? the name
Multan
of
is
the
in
column.
C3.
C3, column C and 3. Yes, exactly. Okay. Right answer, Abdullah Farooq, right. Okay, students. So this was the class. We have, yes, we have found the answers of the questions in this blog, and inshallah in the next blog, we'll be working on some worksheets from skills book. So you have to finish this work, okay? If you have not finished this, so inshallah we'll be discussing in the next block as well. If somebody has not finished, like if somebody is working on question number 4 or 5, so inshallah we'll be discussing these questions again in the next block, right? So it's time to wind up the class. Till the next class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.